second graders, today we are going to pre-teach how to do 3-digit subtraction. So these are the two things we're going to learn today. I can subtract using models, and I can subtract using the algorithm. Okay, that's the equation. Algorithm is the equation. Now yesterday, Mrs. Tomander went over the subtraction poem for you. So let's go over it again. More on top, no need to stop. You just solve it. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. Numbers the same, zeros the game. So remember that poem when we're doing it today. So today we're going to do a problem. So Jeff had 517 baseball cards. Okay, so if we're going to be using a model, that means we have to draw it out in our hundreds, tens, and ones columns. So 517, we're going to draw that out. So we're going to make 500 flats, 17, that means we're going to have 1 10 and 7 ones. Okay, so we have 517 baseball cards. He takes away or gives away 263. So take away, that means we're going to subtract. Okay, so that means I'm going to go ahead and go here and go, okay, I'm going to take away 3 ones. I'm going to take away 6 tens. Uh-oh, look. I can't take away 6 tens. What do I have to do? That means I have to go next door and I'm going to borrow. So I'm going to take away 100, and that 100 is going to get turned into 10 tens. Now can I take away 6? Yeah, I can take away 6. Okay, now can I take away 200s? So that is how you can do it using a model with the answer 200s, 5 tens, and 4 ones. Now, we also want you to use an algorithm or the equation. So we're going to set it up. So notice I have my hundreds, tens, and ones again. These are our borrowing boxes where we borrow from the other columns. So let's go ahead and set up our problem. 517, hundreds, tens, ones, minus 263. So then I come here and I remember my poem. More on top, no need to stop. So look, more on top, I'm just going to solve. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then I come here, I think about the poem again. More on top? No. Let's see, more on the floor? Oh yes, that means I have to go next door. So I go next door to the hundreds, and I borrow, so that now 500s becomes 400s. And I'm going to give 10 tens to the 110, so that's going to become 11 tens. So 11 tens minus 6 is 5. 400s minus 200s is 2. Are the answers the same? So over this next week, we are going to be learning how to subtract using models and the algorithm and a few other strategies. So be ready to practice next week. Bye.